Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness Today. Some few days ago, Governor Nyesom Wike actually took a sweep at the Ebonyi State Governor over the fact that he and his party was behind his sacking as a governor. What it looks like Umahi does not want the matter to lie low. He has responded and even given Governor Nyesom Wike a challenge. Call it a challenge day if you like. Before we go into the newspaper to find out what he told him, the challenges involved, and of course what he called him. Like you subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Let's go straight into the news of the day. Well, according to the news, the former governor of Ebonyi State, Dave Umahi, who was recently asked to vacate the governorship seat alongside his deputy after their defection from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress, replied to the words of Nyesom Wike, the Rivers State governor, who declared that he was the brain behind his sack. Umahi, who declared his intention to contest for the presidential seat on the platform of the or APC, made it known that the sack from the governorship seat was a blessing in disguise, as he has been able to achieve the things he could not achieve as regards his consultation when he was governor. While speaking, Umahi, who referred to Wike without mentioning his name, made it known that he has nothing against the person who claimed to be responsible for his sack and that he is still his brother and friend. Umahi, however, made it known that the person who boasted as the one behind his sack should come out for public debate, as he is certain that he has achieved more than such person in governance and other aspects. Call it challenge. I know definitely that the likes of Governor Nyesom Wike will not let this matter lie low. He will definitely respond. But of course, this again is what he said concerning who Governor Wike is. According to him, Umahi also challenged Wike to a public debate while accusing him of backing public funds. Ebonyi State Governor David Umahi has fired back at his Rivers State counterpart Nyesom Wike over claims that he and the People's Democratic Party were responsible for the court case that led Umahi's oyster. Umahi said this after a meeting with President Muhammadu Buhari on Wednesday, March 23rd, 2022, by a federal high court in Abuja. Well, we reported that Umahi was sacked by a federal high court in Abuja on Tuesday, March 8, 2022, over his defection from PDP to All Progressive Congress (APC). The judgment delivered by Justice Inyang Ekwo said that the votes called by Umahi to emerge governor in 2019 belonged to the PDP and not him as a candidate. Also sacked by the court were Deputy Governor Dr. Eric Kelechi Igwe and all the state lawmakers that defected with them. Reacting to the development, Wike had posted in the video that he and PDP were the architects of those behind Umahi's sacking. During his press briefing after meeting with Buhari, Umahi, who expressed his disagreement with the court judgment, argued that the constitution has guaranteed that a sitting governor cannot be sued. Therefore, his sacking is contrary to the provision of the law. He also cited the Supreme Court ruling that says votes cast in an election belong to the candidate, saying that that's why you have qualifications of a candidate and not qualifications of a political party. The Ebonyi State Governor then criticized Wike for making boastful remarks over his travel, describing him as the hatchet man. He also accused the Rivers colleague of using the state funds to show off while challenging him to a public debate. I quote him word for word. In the first place, there's no constitutional position that says that a governor can be sued, so I am not suable, but a court judgment is not a court judgment. I am not to interpret it, but I can speak to the constitution. I can speak to the constitution we swore to uphold, and the constitution says that once you are elected, you enjoy immunity. So the hatchet man that boasted is likened to Judas Iscariot. What qualifies you just because you are packing money that is public fund, not intellectual material, but just packing money from public fund? You are boasting about it. Yee. Otherwise, whom were you? I became a billionaire at the age of 25. Hey, you became a billionaire at the age of 25. Now, wow. I've worked all my life and have asked him to come for public debate. I don't commission a 3.4 kilometer road. I commission 35 kilometer road. I commission twin flyovers running to 1 kilometer. I commission mega projects with little resources. So if he says he has done well and is a minister, he's minister. I take that again. I commission mega projects with little resources. So if he says he has done well and he's Mr. this or that, okay, he's Mr. this or that, let him come up for public debate. Umahi remains the Ebonyi State Governor pending the outcome of his appeal at the appellant court. Ibakam. The show has begun and you know the Governor Wike, he will respond. He will not let this lie low. Oh, would they pick up that challenge of a debate? That will be interesting. But let's read the pulse of Nigerians because Nigerians are talking. This one here is saying, when Imo State Governor was removed by the court, he was a standing governor, he was not a sitting governor. Immunity by foot. And it's true. You see what is good for the goose is good for the gander. Ihedioha was a sitting governor when Supreme Court removed him from that seat. He was not a standing governor, he was a sitting governor. So the immunity that he ought to have enjoyed, he didn't enjoy it. They unseated him. Ihedioha is not the city governor. It's now Hope Uzodinma. So if Ihedioha can be unseated, sorry, with due respect, Governor David Umahi too can also be unseated. This well, this constitution now, wow. This one here is God bless you for this reference. The point nails Umahi because Emeka Ihedioha was removed after he was sworn into the office of the governor with immunity. Immunity did not stop Emeka Ihedioha from being sacked. I tell you, this country is very interesting. This one here is Nigeria needs more VKs to sanitize our operating system and to deal decisively with betrayers like Umahi. That matter. Okay, I think he tried to talk about Matawale of Zamfara State. Okay, you won't even get Senate position in Ebonyi State. This is serious. So this one here is saying, when tree near tree, monkey always play smart. But this is the tree too for but this tree too far for Umahi. Oh. He is now going to Abuja to seek for help from Buhari, even when Buhari can't help himself. This water don't pass Umahi. This is serious. This is what you say. Governor Umahi is perfectly correct. No court, not even Supreme Court, can remove an elected governor for defecting to another party. Supreme Court settled that matter in 2007 in favor of former Vice President Atiku Abubakar when he defected as Vice President from PDP to AC Party and contested for presidential election on the platform of AC Party with PDP mandate and vote. Law is about precedence. When don't read past judgment of Supreme Court on the same subject matter like Umahi case, they make biased, sentimental, blind argument that does not hold water in law. But truth be told, I think similar thing happens sometimes too in reverse. So everything all depends on the angle through which you're looking